What's up, people? You ain't got your regular dude today, you got me. So we gonna get into this unboxing of the Betrue Vapormax Plus. There you go, we got the regular old box. Air Vapormax Plus Betrue, part of Betrue pack. Y'all might be familiar with it. So let's get into it. If you look at the shoe, you can already see it got the Betrue colors, the rainbow colored air bubbles at the bottom for the Vapormax. Typical Vapormax. Betrue tag on the back. That's dope. I mean, I'm feeling the colorway too. I don't know why they released these in men's. Should have been a woman's colorway, but hey, I could roll with it. Right here we have the colors fading from purple to pink. Got the black shiny things across the mid section. I like what they did under the sole too. Like I said, it's a nice shoe. It's a nice colorway. The colors pop. The whole Betrue pack actually is nice, but I think this Vapormax might be the best one. I go to Betrue on the back with the VM. Material consistent to the rest of the Vapormax Pluses. And now you go, you can see the whole view of the shoe. No difference on the other foot. Same situation. On the tongue you have a triangle with a Nike check, all laced in 3M. Got the Betrue insoles. Dope, dope, dope. Betrue tag on the back. I don't have to explain to y'all what the Betrue is. I'm sure y'all know what that is. Be true to yourself, you know, don't hide who you are. Same situation at the bottom. You got the triangle that represent the Betrue that's on the tongue of both shoes too. So there you have it. The Nike Air Vapormax Betrue. Let me know what y'all think. Whether you like them, don't like them, you feeling them, not feeling them. Holla.